Hello world, I'm Faddrick, CEO of Nexo Mine. Today, I want to share how Nexo Mine is growing daily across the globe. Every day, new users join Nexo Mine from different countries, strengthening our worldwide digital farming network. Our platform is designed for consistent daily growth through smart systems and strategic digital farming. With automated technology and transparent structure, Nexo Mine delivers reliable performance day after day. Daily growth is not luck, please. It is the result of trust, discipline, and strong leadership within our community. From Asia to Europe, Africa to America, Nexo Mine continues to expand without slowing down. We are building a system that grows steadily, not temporarily, a platform meant for long-term global impact. This is Nexo Mine, Cremico, growing daily, expanding worldwide, and shaping the future of digital farming.